Hi there, students. To chug. Okay, this one's an interesting one. I think if you said chug to a Brit or to chug to an American, they mean rather different things. To me as a Brit, to chug is the sound of an engine. Chug, 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 chug. Yeah, it's this dull, repeated sound of an engine going quite slowly and working quite hard. So the car chugged slowly up the hill, working laboriously. How's business going? It's chugging along. Yeah, it's going along. It's not going at massive speed, but it's going as it should be. However, for the Americans, to chug means to swallow a lot of a liquid in one continuous action. He chugged his beer. He finished it in one. Okay. Let's see. So, for me as a Brit, to chug, the engine chugging along, to make such sounds while moving, or to continue along slowly but surely. Yeah, to move along as if chugging. The train chugged along from station to station. I tiredly chugged through the same old routine. Yeah, to move through something. Dug, 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 dug. Yeah, working hard at it. Yeah, but for the Americans, this is very different. Yeah, he chugged his beer. You know these films where you have university students, and the idea is to drink an enormous glass of beer all in one chug, in one go, and everybody shouting, chug, 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 chug. And that's the American meaning, chug-a-lug. Yeah, I can't believe he chugged that all in one. Yeah, but to chug, for me, to move along making these sounds, or not making them, to go slowly but surely, continuing to do something, working away. Yeah, to go slowly and noisily with maybe some difficulty. Yeah, the tractor chugged across the field. Yeah, the train chugged along the track. Okay, so they're very different things. Yeah, it's got this onomatopoeia sound, chug, 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 and that's the idea for me in English. Let's see, as to formality, certainly for me, chugging along, this is fairly informal. I think a 3.5 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation. Yeah, things that were chugging along. Maybe a semi-formal conversation, but I don't think I would use it very formally. And then the American one, I think this is probably more informal as well, probably something like 3.5. Okay, so to chug, to move steadily. Yeah, the I could hear the boat's engine chugging as the boat chugged along, and then he chugged the drink all in one. And as to origin, to me, this is very clearly onomatopoeia. It means the sound. The sound, it gives us the word. Yeah, so chug, chug, chug. That's the idea. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Chug.